Hello students, today I am starting with question number 1 of exercise 3.6. Now in this question we have find the HCF of the following numbers. Okay, now what do you mean by HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Okay, now what are common factor? Common factor means when you have two numbers or more than two numbers and if we get the same number as their factors, like if you have say 15 and 25, the factors of 15 are 1, 5, 1, 3, 5 and 15, and factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So what are common factors here? 1 and 5. Okay, so these are common factors. Now what do you mean by highest? Now what is highest common factor? So here we have got common factor as 1 and 5, and among this highest common factor means HCF will be 5 because 5 is the highest common factor. Okay, now I'll show you finding HCF by prime factorization method. Okay, so here we will have to find the prime factors by repeated division method. We will have to take the prime numbers only. So at first we will take 18. Now we'll start with 2. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, we'll just find the prime factors by repeated division method. Next we have 48. Since last digit is even number, so it will go by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again, last digit is even, so it will go by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3, and prime factorization of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then we will just circle the common factors. So here 2 is present as a factors of 18 and as a factor of 48. So 2 is common, and after that only 3 is common, right? So this is so step 1 is we will have to just find the prime factors of the numbers given, and then step 2 is we'll just circle the common factors. Step 3 is we'll just find the HCF by finding the product of the common factors. So HCF of 18 and 48 is, we have these two common factors 2 and 3. So if you multiply this, then we will get the HCF of 18 and 48. Okay, 6. Okay, now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have 30 and 42. So again by repeated division method we will find the factors of 30. So we'll take 2 as 0 is even number, so 30 will be divisible by 2. Now 2 15s are 30. Again this comes in 3 tables, so 3 5s are 15. After that 5 1s are 5. Then we will find the factors of 42. Now taking 2 at first, so always remember we will have to take the prime numbers, okay, to factorize this or to divide this. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, then 7 1s are 7. So we will write the prime factorization of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, and prime factorization of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. Now this is step 1. We have written the factors of this given number, which is 30 and 42. After this we will just circle which is common here. So here we can see that 2 here also and here also, means the factors of 30 and 42, we have 2. These 2 as common factor. After this we have 3 also, but here is 5 and here is 7, so these are not common, so we have 2 and 3. So we'll write HCF of 30 and 42 will be the last step, will be the product of the common factors. So product of this, from these 2 we will get 1 and 1 2, and from these 2 3 we will take 1 3, so product of these 2 will be 6. So the answer of the second part is 6. Okay. Now in the C part we have 18 and 60. Okay, we will have to find the prime factors. So we will start with 2. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. Now factors of 60. So 2 3s are 6, and then 0 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are 5. So prime factorization of 18. Prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so we'll write the factors here. After that, we'll write prime factorization of 60. Okay, is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now we will find the common factors here. Now see, 2 is present as a factor of 18 and 60. So 2 is common, and this 3 is common because this number is present as a factor of 18 and 60. So only 2 and 3, because these 3 is not here as a factor of 60, or 5 is also not here as a factor of 18. So the common factors are 2 and 3. Now we will find HCF. HCF of 18 and 16 is, we will have to just find the product of the common factors. So these are the common factors. So only to find the HCF, we will have to just multiply these two to get the HCF. So 2 3s are 6. Okay.